You guys, this video is going to be unedited video. I'm going to edit some parts, but not all, because I don't just feel like editing anything. I've been waiting for NEPA to bring light so that I can make this hair, but they don't want to bring light, so I have to make my hair like that, because I can't be waiting for NEPA. I have been waiting for light for the past 2 days to make my hair, but there's no light. And you guys, it's not like I don't like using natural light. I love using natural light because that is even the best light to use. But my natural light is not always suitable, so I can't trust my natural light. But then I'm doing it anyway, so let's see how it comes out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Norma. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you are welcome. If you haven't joined the family, please hit the subscribe button to join the family. To my OGs, you guys are still the best. So first, I hydrated my hair and applied my leave-in conditioner. The next thing is to seal in the mixture, which is apply my hair growth oil, homemade hair growth oil. After that, I'm going to take out this cornrow that I made just to to stretch my hair. I've been carrying it like this since I washed my hair. So after that, what else? Just to part my hair. I think I'll be making like how many pieces of hair? I think 6. No, not 6. 3, 6, 7, 8 pieces of hair. That is what I'm going to be making. Nothing less than 8. So let's watch and see. I don't want to like spend any money on this shaku hairstyle. If you get what I mean. The hairstyle is just so simple that I don't need to like stress much. So guys, like I said, I don't want to spend any time on this hair because I'm not even sure if I'm going to carry it for up to 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't know. So I am making use of what I have at home. guys, I can't lie, this hair is so painful. Maybe because I just washed my hair. Maybe that is why my hair is paining me, because it's so painful. But I love this style. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.